Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an SEO expert and owner of a Google partner company. So today I'm here with an amazing quick case study regarding a Google Merchant Center account suspension, and there are various reasons for Google Merchant Center account suspension. And this is another successful case study regarding website needs improvement. That is one of the very common error people see on the Google Merchant Center account after misrepresentation. I believe that so far the cases we have seen, misrepresentation is the top error which you may need feel, and the second one is website needs improvement. I have also seen cases where the website needs improvement error have been converted or shifted into misrepresentation. So, which is why whenever we have a case related to website needs improvement, we are very cautious with the services we provide, because that eventually it this error can be shifted into misrepresentation, which can further cause trouble and problem for restoration of a Google Merchant Center account. Now, if you ask me the niche for the Google Merchant Center, it's related to vintage items, and the country they were targeting was UK. So the account was, the client before asking us was, working with the Google team, and they gave them suggestions, and they followed those suggestions, and even still, their account was still suspended. So at the time, when they provided us the account, let me show you a few of the errors they had, so you guys have an idea on. Uh, this was the account scenario where you can see that there was a fixed all setup and policy issues that prevent your products from showing. Google was showing and the products were approved, but later on the products went into not approved. At first we thought that because the products are approved and visible, so the error will be gone for this, but later on, it was shifted into website or online store needs improvement, and which is was one of the reasons for which your their website was suspended, and then all the products went into disapproval, was cause of concern. And there were five scenarios pointed by Google. Google always gives a hint, that is not surety that these are the exact reasons, but Google gives you hint that your website should have a domain name that matches the uploaded domain name of the feed, which is very common that people do not do this mistake, but they still do give them as a clue. Second, your website should not have any broken links. I have seen cases where people do have broken links, they do not know, even they have broken images, some coding errors issues. I like to include those in this as well. Number third is your website should not contain any placeholder images or text. Now this is very important, that your website should not contain any placeholder or images or text, and that is again a coding error, and people do not know, especially people who are not professional coders or web developers. Number fourth point is the product details and categories should match those that you have provide in your product data. I have also not seen such an issue. Your website should not contain generic information and shouldn't miss crucial information about products. Now, this is common mistake people often do when they are trying to restore their Google Merchant Center account. They do not know they are using generic information or not personalized, customized, and they do have duplicate content issue. Trust me, this is a very common issue. Even if the misrepresentation cases, I have seen these cases as well. And then uh, learn more about the editorial and professional requirement policy. So these were the things which were given to us, and then I'm also going to show you another support that once we did the changes, we they said that the website seems fine. I'm taking the case offline for the manual review. It may take for we have to do sometimes this multiple requests to the Google team to get it restored, and multiple requests are being rejected. And you can see over here that the website needs improvement error is over here, and apologies, this was for USA. And you can see that products has an issue, and now if you open this account, you can see that all the products are being approved. I can even do the refresh so you guys have an idea that it's not. You can see over here, and let me see the notifications. Now there are no such notification of account suspension over here. You can see it's all approved and running, and you can see everything is being over here, and yeah, everything is being fine. So this is another case study regarding a successful restoration of a Google Merchant Center account which was suspended for website or online store needs improvement. In case if you have a Google Merchant Center account suspended, Google Ads account suspended, or in case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, or AC services, me and my team can help you in restoring those accounts, or even we can help you in set up management audits of those accounts. We are very friendly. We work as a Google partner company, and we would love to help you. So in case if you want to need our services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us and work with us. And once again, thank you for watching. In case if you like this video, make sure to share, like, and comment, and subscribe our channel and as well, and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.